Okay, Michael Jalen.
Here at Pandora, the world of Avatar. Hi, Michael. You ready for this ride? Yeah. Awesome, right?
Think so? Can climb that?
Yeah. You think you can climb that?
Not me.
I would like to. It looks awesome. This place looks awesome. Michael!
What if they added like turtles? In water.
I dare you to go in there. I'm just kidding.
Alright. Yeah. It's like there's treasure in that one hole. Oh, let's go.
Oh, that looks awesome. Fast pass ready. Get to cut in line. Ready for this, Michael? Why don't you? Oh, what's in there? Nothing. Silly. You're so silly. Inside the cave, ready for the ride. You scared, Mike? Are you scared? What? You're silly. You're silly, boy. Hi, Jalen. No. Jalen wants to sit down. Look, we're about to go next. We're almost there. Ready? Ready, bro? Caleb. What is it? Okay. Yes, baby.
You gotta get me.
I can get you. I can get you. Yeah, it's just us. Yay! The world of Avatar.
Whoa, there.
Whoa!
What's up?
A1 now.
Whoa! Oh, pretty.
Oh, look at the jellyfish flying. Oh, what's that thing called? The light? Ocean?
Oh my God! Look at the baby. Look, you see that?
Whoa.
That's
Yeah, look.
awesome.
Go back. Oh, they keep it playing this one.
Oh no, it's different. See?
Oh, that's cool.
So cool.
Where are your friends?
Oh, look at that.
Whoa. Jalen, look at that. Jalen, look up. Whoa. Alien.
Aliens. Oh, look at that. What's in there,
Oh,
guys?
look on top of us. Jalen, look up. See? There. Whoa. What is that, mama? That one's not spitting. The fan died. Then they're quick.
Hi, baby. You like it, Michael? Cool, huh?
Watch the movie again.
Like we're in the movie.
Right? This is so cool.
Oh, over there, boo.
What are those? Crazy.
Hey, look at that caterpillar. Look at the butterflies. The creepy crawlers. Oh, they're over there too. They're marching.
Oh, the Avatar?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So pretty. Oh, look at that. Look how big they are.
Yeah, because we're a little bit smaller than them. That's so cool.
That's real. They did a good job though. I want those in the road. The little floating things.
That's awesome, right?
Yeah, look at
It's like a little diamond.
that. Like that rock where you open it up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
That was cool. You like it, Michael? Say bye-bye, everybody.
Welcome back.
We're back outside, and this was it. The world of Avatar. Floating rocks. You see that? That's cool, right, Michael? Michael, you want to say bye-bye to everybody? Bye! Say bye-bye. Say thank you for watching. Say Hi, Jalen. Say bye-bye.